Hello everyone, my name is Khurram Sharif. I'm a senior marketing faculty at Qatar University. I'm also part of Mega Consult, a Saudi think tank that advises on issues of leadership. So what can you expect from this forthcoming workshop, Discovering Leadership Through Self-Analysis? We will be using critical visual thinking, mainly Lego serious play, to generate learning. We'll be looking at super team play. How can we connect employees into one unit which gives excellent performance? We will also be looking at politics, organizational politics, and how can a leader use politics as a force for good. We'll be looking at the use of power by a leader, especially constructive and non-coercive use of power. And we will be looking at emotional intelligence, especially how can a leader become more emotionally intelligent and then create emotional cycles within an organization which motivate employees to do well. Well, I look forward to seeing you on the 28th and 29th of September at CEE IBA. Bye for now and look forward to meeting you soon.